Hi guys! Welcome back to me in YouTube. This is Teach Lindy once again, and hello to the Lindynetics. I know you missed me for a while because it's been a while since I uploaded the last video. Here's another beauty tip, especially for girls, but this is also good for men. And if you really want to have longer, shinier and straighter hair, especially for women, this beauty tip or this product that I'm gonna show to you today is good for the hair. It also prevents falling hair. It also prevents your hair to become frizzy, and also it adds volume. At the same time, it makes your hair longer, especially if this will be your hair regimen. So if you're interested to know this product, keep watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel Teach Lindy Wow and hit the notification button so that you will be updated with the new videos that I'm going to share in this channel. So let's find out what are the ingredients to make our hair shinier, longer, thicker, straighter, and okay guys, so these are the ingredients that we need to achieve that longer, healthier, shinier, and straighter hair. I have here 1 egg, medium size, virgin coconut oil, and the castor oil. So all you have to do is to mix the following ingredients into a bowl. Okay, so let's do that. And then you add 2 tablespoons of virgin coconut oil. Then 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Okay, so all you have to do is to mix all the ingredients together. So you have to once the product is ready and all ingredients are mixed together, you are now ready to massage this on our hair. So, okay guys, I'm done massaging or putting the product on my hair. So let it stay on your hair for 30 minutes. So what I usually do is I cover my hair with a shower cap. Okay, so like what I've said, let it stay on your hair for 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes, you can wash it. Don't use shampoo or anything on your hair, just wash it with the tap water and then let it dry naturally. Don't use hair dryer or just top it with a towel, and you will find out that the result is really nice. Especially once your hair is dry, it is softer it is shinier. And like what I've said, I'm done with the... Okay, I'll see you later after 30 minutes or after drying my hair to show the result of the product that we made. Okay, I'm done washing my hair. So all I need to do is to wait until it is dry. Like what I've said, don't use anything to dry your hair. Just tap your hair with a towel and let it dry naturally. Okay, so I'll see you later once it is dry. Okay guys, so my hair is almost dry, and like what I've said, the product will make your hair straighter. And actually castor oil is optional in the ingredients that we used a while ago, because castor oil is used only if you want your hair to be thicker, because it stimulates the scalp to make your hair grow, a new hair grow. Okay, and of course the egg there is rich in vitamin A, and since it has a shiny effect on our hair, it's good to use. Okay, and also the virgin coconut oil helps also our hair to become shiny, and it also promotes hair growth, and also it prevents our scalp to be itchy. So the ingredients that we used in the procedure or to come up with the product are really good to make our hair healthier, or our scalp and hair healthier. So this is it, guys. Easy to manage. Okay, so it's easier to manage. And like again, I want to repeat that when you rinse your hair, do not use shampoo or anything. Just rinse it with tap water, okay, and rinse it thoroughly. Also, the reason why I usually do this 3 times a week, it's because like what I said, after the procedure we don't need to use shampoo. So you will smell your hair like egg, and the castor oil has a strong smell than the virgin coconut oil. So the next day you can shampoo your hair, and the result is much better. Okay, it becomes more manageable because the scalp and the hair has absorbed the product that we used. Okay, so I hope I shared something good for you today. So it's very easy and very economical, and like what I said, if you're gonna make this your hair regimen, or if you're gonna do this regularly like what I do this 3 times a week, you will achieve the salon hair life. Okay, so you don't need to use straightening or expensive shampoo just to make your hair shiny or straighter. By just doing the procedure that I gave you in this video, you will achieve again the salon-like hair. Okay, so see you next time. Please, again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated with the new videos that I'm gonna upload in this channel. See ya!